From loss to success, a family's journey. Mark's life took an unexpected turn when his son, Ethan, was born. Overjoyed by the arrival of their little bundle of happiness, he and his wife, Sarah, found themselves navigating uncharted waters. Mark had lost his job just before Ethan's birth, and the weight of providing for their growing family now rested solely on Sarah's shoulders. Determined to support his family, Mark knew he had to find a way. He had always dreamt of starting his own business, and this was the perfect opportunity to turn his dream into a reality. With unwavering support from Sarah, he embarked on the challenging path of entrepreneurship. Mark's startup journey was fraught with obstacles, but he faced each one with determination and resilience. Late nights and early mornings became his norm as he tirelessly worked on his business, while caring for Ethan during the day. Diapers and spreadsheets became his daily companions, and he soon realized that being a parent was a full-time job in itself. As the days turned into weeks and then months, Ethan grew and thrived under Mark's loving care. The little boy's laughter and curious eyes became Mark's source of inspiration and strength. He was determined to build a better life for his family, no matter the hurdles he had to overcome. Through sleepless nights and countless setbacks, Mark's business slowly began to gain traction. Word of mouth and his dedication to quality earned him loyal customers who appreciated his craftsmanship and commitment. His company started to grow, one satisfied customer at a time. As Ethan took his first steps and uttered his first words, Mark's business reached new heights. He expanded his services, hired employees, and opened a storefront. The once small startup had transformed into a thriving enterprise. Mark's hard work and passion were paying off, and his family was reaping the benefits. With Sarah's support and Ethan's unwavering love, Mark's business continued to flourish. They were no longer burdened by financial worries, and their family life blossomed. Weekends were filled with laughter and adventures as they explored the world together. The bond between Mark, Sarah, and Ethan grew stronger with each passing day. Years went by, and as Ethan started school, Mark and Sarah realized the true measure of their success. Their beloved boy was thriving, confident, and full of dreams of his own. They had not only built a successful business but also a loving and supportive family. Looking back on their journey, Mark and Sarah knew that they had weathered many storms, but their love for each other and their determination to provide for their family had prevailed. The path from Mark's job loss to becoming a thriving entrepreneur was a challenging one, but it had led them to a place of happiness and fulfillment they had never imagined. Their story was a testament to the power of love, resilience, and hard work. It was proof that even in the face of adversity, a family could not only survive but thrive, growing stronger together along the way. And as they looked at their son, the center of their world, they knew that their journey was a journey of love and success, where dreams were not only realized but multiplied in the form of their beloved Ethan.